One sunny playtime turns stormy in a blink. Boom! Rain pours down, bunny and fish scramble. The pond is flooding, and it's a muddy mess. Fish is in trouble. Bunny jumps to the rescue. Together, they hatch a clever plan. Here comes Krabby Boss, grumpy but strong. Let the teamwork begin, Stones. Mud and all. Snail and Froggy hop in to help. Uh-oh, the water keeps rising. Bunny has a plan. Build a water tunnel. Rain rages on. Will they finish in time? A giant wave crashes down from the hill. Krabby Boss to the rescue. Snip, snap, power. Everyone gives their all, no quitting now. Yes, the dam and tunnel are complete. The rain fades, and the sun peeks out. Hooray! They made it through the storm! Bunny and Fish smile, what a team! Krabby Boss waves goodbye, like a hero. Sunshine returns, and so does peace at the pond.